In this video, we're using Snap Studio Pro to export animated shadows on a transparent ground, perfect for stylized 2D games or top-down projects. This feature is currently supported in URP only, and it lets you generate clean, reusable shadow-only sprite sheets from any animated prefab. Whether you're adding shadows under characters, creating dynamic effects, or even designing shadow-based enemies, Snap Studio Pro makes it fast, accurate, and easy. For this demo, I'm using the Scorpion from Infinity PBR. In the Animation tab, I've set the camera to orthographic, enabled a transparent background, and chosen a top-down setup, but I've also changed the pitch angle to 60 degrees to give it a more isometric look. I'm selecting the taunt animation and letting it loop during preview. Next, over in the Shadow tab, I'll enable the shadow plane in the Shadow Setup foldout, then scroll down to the Ground Material section and toggle Use Transparent Ground. You'll see the shadow disappears. That can happen depending on how the camera is framed. Just pull the camera back slightly and boom, the shadow appears cleanly on a transparent quad. Now, if I hide the prefab, you'll see it's just the shadow, fully separated. Back in Animation Export, I'm exporting this clip as a sprite sheet, shadow only. Once exported, I'll show you the results. The frames will look solid black in the Unity inspector at first. That's normal. Just switch the texture type to sprite, 2D and UI, and the transparency will show up correctly. You can then use this animated shadow as a child object under your main character, or even on its own as a shadow monster enemy, with no visible body at all. Super clean, super flexible.